And I want when people are driving past our building that they know that's a reliable company and I can count on them. My name is Erica Emmanuel, and I am the division manager over True Builders, True Plumbers, and True AC. So what I do here at True is really oversee our internal teams. It's a lot of coordinating, but the ultimate goal is making sure the customer is taken care of and jobs are getting completed. And not just completed, but with quality. Working for True has benefited me a lot. It's helped me grow in so many ways. It's helped me in my communication skills. You know, I work with people every day. Sometimes they're angry, sometimes they're happy. Even internally, you know, you're working with a bunch of different people with different strengths and different weaknesses, but it has helped me be a better leader, a better person, and they keep the bar high here. They keep the standard high here, so they're always pushing us on personal development and personal growth. For our customers, a lot of times we're walking into homes and they're in really bad situations. And we get to come in and rebuild. And normally they're super happy because it's such a hard situation, but we rebuild something beautiful. I think True is the most trusted company when it comes to building because of the relationships we build with the customer. In the building industry, you get a lot of contractors out there who treat you as a number, you know, and that's our goal, to do the exact opposite.